Hello and welcome to Myrtle Beach, Ocean Boulevard. We are driving northbound along Ocean Boulevard for a quick discussion about what is going to be going down this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, in Myrtle Beach. You'll notice on the sides of the road and in the middle of the road there are barricades on both sides to isolate the pedestrians from the vehicular traffic. During Memorial Day weekend, they typically do this, and the big impact, aside from the barriers that you're going to see, is one-way traffic flowing southbound only. Keep that in mind if you're visiting. If you've never visited during Memorial Day, this is standard protocol. They usually have a loop that runs around the city that they enforce all traffic to cruise along. This year, from what I understand, the entire loop will not be enforced, but the one-way traffic on Ocean Boulevard will be enforced. So let's take a moment to just drive down the boulevard, and you'll see all these barriers in this video in a POV, if you will, but an informative POV, because you're going to see how they set it up and what to expect if you're visiting this weekend. Now, some of you out there may not be familiar with the activities that usually occur during Memorial Day at Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, Atlantic Beach, this whole area. This is the weekend that we have Bike Fest, which is the sports bike festival weekend, as opposed to the Harley Week that we have, two separate events. So during this specific weekend, traffic gets extremely hectic along the boulevard, and they typically need these vehicular measures, the barricades and the traffic flow and whatnot, just to keep people moving. That way we don't have a situation like we had last weekend where we had a little mini block party right in front of Riptides. Yeah, we don't want that happening. We want traffic to move. That's the whole point of the road. So they want to keep the flow going and let people cruise and enjoy the strip in Myrtle Beach fashion.